I have a spreadsheet set up with two lists, one of staff names, one of an amount of hours that I want the staff to work, the maximum being 12. I have a week set up where there's a place to put the names of the staff who work, the days that they work, and then somewhere to work out the total amount of hours that they have worked in a week. So the first task is to name these ranges. So remember, click, drag down, right click, define name, give them names, and set that as the name that you're going to use when you go into data validation. Once you have applied the names to the ranges, you then need to choose the right range for data validation for the two separate areas where you're going to use it in this spreadsheet. So here you need to put the names of the staff using a drop-down list, and here you're going to put the amount of hours that person works. Once you have set the data validation to a list, you need to make sure that it works by actually filling in some data. So you need to go through and make sure that the area works as you thought it would. So start filling in the tables with some of the names and the amount of hours that person has worked. I filled in the first two names just to make sure that this works before I go any further. If I spent time filling all this area in and then what I do next didn't work, I'd have wasted my time. And as this is a trial and error process, we need to test as we go along. Now I need a formula that is going to add up all of these hours so that I know how many hours that person's worked so they get paid the correct amount. So there is a very quick solution to this. We just click the Autosum. Now sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it doesn't. You can see the marching ants, the little dotted lines going around. If it's correct, all well and good. If it's highlighted a wrong area, you can change where it highlights so that it only works in the area that you want. When you're happy with it, you can just press enter. So Bob has worked 35 hours. Barbara's worked 26. The others I haven't filled in their data yet.